Alright, this is going to be a follow-up on my last video when I just showed the install of the lower two lights. We might have touched a rock while off-roading and destroyed the last bumper, which you can see in one of my other videos. But it's because of that we've had to purchase a new bumper, and I decided to go ahead and relocate these lights to a different spot. As you can see, we've also added a tuner that allows some of the factory lights to be used in this. But you can see the combination of all these lights. Now again, I'm going to say, just like my other videos, this is not a primary response vehicle. This is a I'm driving down the road and I roll up on top of an accident and I want to protect my vehicle from getting hit. That's what these lights are for. I'm only going to stay long enough for law enforcement, police, fire, EMS, someone that has a bigger vehicle with more lighting on it to take that scene, and I'm going to leave. That's all these are for. And just like with the last video, I'm showing you that the white lights do still come on as the solid reverse lights, and there's still a little bit of other lights for that there. Now, where I decided to move these lights to this time, they were up underneath the rear bumper, but we obviously have gotten bigger tires, and the gapping on this is a lot less, so we cannot use that same spot. I came up here on the body mount frame and basically put a very small hole in the back side and ran it up to that corner so it's up out of the way. This having a little bit of a lip does give it a little bit of protection, and we basically mounted it right here at the bottom. All the wiring's the same. I'm just finishing that part of it up. From a distance, you cannot really see it. It kind of blends in. So that's what we're going to do from now on. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know.